Alright guys, here is a house update. We still haven't got the borders around the house yet. As you could see, we're doing a lot of revamping. We're gonna be buying toilets, and this is the first set. So we ended up finally getting our bathroom done. This toilet has to go immediately. This whole bathroom, if you remember, was yellow, and it had yellow drippings because someone decided to smoke in here. So for my birthday, I ended up getting a new fan, and you could tell that there's still yellow stuff there. So we have to get rid of that. We have to paint it. We already did kills all over here, so there's still several spots, but my husband said that we need to get a new toilet because it still smells. I wish I would have filmed what it looked behind there, but the bathroom flooring is done again. We need borders. We ended up getting a new mattress. Now we need a new bed. But here is the new toilet. And look, you guys, my hallway. I don't know if I showed you guys this. The hallway, this room is done. And then this bathroom is done. When I say done, I mean the flooring, but just not the round edges. That toilet that is in our room, gonna go here. Everywhere is so dusty. We cleaned, and that was a big mistake. When they do flooring, it gets very dusty all over the house, and we live in a 2-story, so as you could tell, dust everywhere. And this is our current situation. This is my daughter's room. They're doing their virtual learning here. I have them in here because the AC here runs really good. And in my son's room, it's not really working as much, but this is their station, and here is the flooring. And then you go around over here, and this is some of the things that happens when you do construction in your house. This is all shreds from the flooring. Here's my son's room. We still haven't put much furniture in here, only because they still need the border, so I don't want to keep moving stuff around or whatnot. This window, I have to figure out what I'm going to put here because it does get really hot, and it warms up this whole hallway. But the stairs are actually going to be last, and look how it looks downstairs. All the flooring is finally done. And just to give you guys an update, I don't know if I have told you guys that the railings are actually going to be black. This is the current situation. We have spills here. We have spills all over this wall. Again, we had to add kills because it just seeps through the whole walls. And then if you turn this way, we have these right here. We obviously painted the whole house, so this seeped through, so we had to add more kills on that. But look how beautiful the flooring looks. I'm so surprised it looks this good. And then this is the downstairs bathroom. He still has to put in the sink, but we finally got this done. This needs one extra coat of paint, and we should actually be good. That mirror will be leaving us. As you can see, we still have to paint, or we have to take this off and paint over it or whatnot. And this house used to be green, so this is gonna go as well. So this is the current situation. This is the station where he was cutting everything, and as you could tell, it gets very messy very quickly. It's crazy. And then going to the kitchen here, here's the third living room. So first, second, and this is like the main family living room. So this is where the couches is gonna be from the old apartment. The TV or whatnot. So this is where they left off. He still needs this part, and it will be complete, but we had to move the fridge, and he is going to move the stove. We're currently looking for a stove, and I would want all these cabinets obviously white with black hinges here, just so you know it could be more modern. Here is the first pantry, so that's what he did. And we're gonna go obviously if you could tell, white and black. We bought these knobs on Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below, but we ended up getting this knob at Home Depot. And this is currently the backyard situation. we are going to need to haul all this trash out. This is all with flooring, and since yesterday they were doing the flooring here, that's the reality. So currently this is the only thing that he needs to do, and that's about it. Then we'll be done with flooring. Technically he still needs to add all the borders, and he wants to seal everything on the borders. So I mean, it is what it is. Oh, and here's more trash over here that was upstairs. So it gets really messy really quickly. So my advice to you is, when you buy a house and you're actually wanting to put flooring, do not bother even cleaning the house until all that is done, because it does tend to get extremely dusty. As you could tell, this was a new fan and it got extremely dusty, but anyway, I'm just excited that this is done. The stairs are actually going to be the last thing that we do before anything else, because the stairs could be tricky a little bit. I don't know if I should do black on top and then white on the face, or instead of white use the same flooring. I know the rails have to be black, as you can see. I mean, I have kids, so they're going to tend to get messy, and I'm going to do accents of black. I've already showed you guys my inspiration. So I know for sure 100% is that this wall right here is actually going to be black. But yeah, you guys, this is the current situation that we have going on. I'm very excited to have I don't know, just it still doesn't feel like our home, because we haven't even, we've been sleeping here for about a month, and I think because our stuff isn't out here. But this is some of the flooring that we ended up getting. Hopefully he doesn't use all of them, so we can return it and get some money back. But yeah, you guys, hopefully you guys like how everything is coming together. So we got 2 toilets and a few knickknacks and pepper jacks. How much were they, babe? I think this was $100, and the other one was $89, so we just went with the $100 one. Knickknacks and pepper jacks.